Guys, welcome back to this channel as well as this video. If you're new on here, this is Grace Tips and my name is Grace, and thank you so much for stopping by. Like literally, did I say if you're new here? Everybody is new here because I just started this channel for the sake of giving you some tips on how to work long distance relationship out. Like basically you're going to be hearing more of that. I'm sorry. You're literally going to be hearing more of this word basically as time goes on because I feel like it's one of my favorite, words to use if maybe I get stuck in the middle of a conversation. So, without wasting much of our time, let's just dive into the video. Long distance relationship is something that has come to stay. It's a normal thing in this society right now, and you won't want to deny yourself love because of the distance or because of how or the methods both of you met. You have to go in wherever you find love. Please, darlings, do not you know do not hesitate to go in for it. Trust is basically one of the ingredients that help to build a healthy relationship. Like if there's no trust in a relationship, I don't think that relationship will go or ever stand a chance of surviving. So how do you build this trust? So trust can be built through focusing on the little things that matters. There are some things that you feel like, oh, my partner is not supposed to know about it, let me just keep it away from it. You should be sincere to the least details. You should be ready to literally give all details about everything that you do, your activities, where you go to, what you do, people you meet. You should be ready. Those are little, things that we literally do not focus on in long distance relationship. We just, or in any type of relationship at all, we just basically ignore those little things that really matters, that we feel like it doesn't matter, why will I be going to this place, I just want to pick up something from here, should I tell him or should I not tell him? Literally those are some of the things. And two, be specific. When I mean specific, if you say you're going to the market, let it be like you're really going to the market. Not like you're going to the market. Maybe you didn't, you literally go to the market and there's something that happened, you needed to, go to another place. You should, as a human being or as a sensible person, you should be able to tell your partner, oh baby, there's a change of plan. By the time you start, telling somebody, oh, I'm going to the market, and at the end of the day, maybe the person call you in the middle of you actually going to the market, and then he found you in the eatery. Like that is going to thwart your trust, not because eatery is a bad place, but because of the fact that you weren't specific. You get it? You should be specific about everything that you do. If you're telling somebody A, let it be A. Not like you're telling somebody A and you're saying, and the person is getting an answer of Z. You should be able to, learn to be specific when it comes to your relationship and building trust. So, I haven't said that. You should also be able to know the type of association you keep, the types of friends you keep, where you go to. Like literally, if you're this kind of person that like clubbing, you should kind of reduce, the way you go there because it's your lifestyle before you obviously meet your partner. You shouldn't, your partner cannot just say, okay, stop it. But if you want to build trust, you should be able to stop some of those things. And then lies, it might not be intentional, it might be, you might not literally intentionally say it. Let's say for example, you tell somebody, you tell your partner that, oh babe, I'm gonna be home by 6 p.m. And virtual of your engagement or your things that you were doing, you end up getting home by 8 p.m. That can already be considered as a lie. It looks strange, it looks funny, especially if you're dating somebody that is literally time specific. There are people that are, once you tell them 6, you do not call them by 6, it means that you're ready. doing something else. They don't care to know what kept you. At least they want you to, at least, if you're gonna stay behind, they're not telling you that you must call them by 6. If you're gonna stay behind, there should be a message or notification telling them, oh please, I'm sorry, I won't be available by that 6 p.m. By the time you keep continuously keep doing that, it will also be considered as a lie, which can end up destroying your relationship. So I believe that we have said a lot today, and I know that these tips will help, because these are some of the things that I have also seen help people around, and I just thought to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and please, darling, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until the next video, bye.